Imagine you have a great opportunity to transform your career in just 8 weeks. Yes, you can become a data scientist or a machine learning expert in the shortest possible time. DSM Bootcamp, powered by Kedrus Academy, offers a live cohort-based learning experience. This bootcamp will equip you with the most sought-after skills in data science and AI. You will have a dual learning track where you master both the code first and the no-code methods of data science. You also have a live cohort experience where you network and collaborate with peers and data science experts in a dynamic community. Our expert-led instruction will enable you gain real-world insights from industry leaders passionate about teaching practical and applicable knowledge. You experience hands-on projects to tackle real-world problems and build impressive data portfolios. By choosing DSM, you have a comprehensive curriculum designed for all skill levels to ensure you succeed in your data career. Your journey to a data-driven future starts now. Don't miss out on this life-transforming opportunity. Enroll into DSM Bootcamp with Kedrus Academy today. Visit kedrusacademy.com for more.